Hey folks, how's it going? Today we're going to be printing this out, this Predator from Thingiverse. I already have it loaded up in the Cure, right here. I'm going to print it on my CR10. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and scale this up by 200%. I'm going to do extra fine. I want to see how long this is going to take with, because I can actually go up to 0.8, which I've done that before, slow the speed down, and I've got some decent prints, but I don't want to have to, this will look terrible if I have it on 8. I'm thinking 6 might be too low too. I might just go with let me cancel that anyway, because I don't really want to go with that, because I don't have to do too much sanding and stuff. So I think draft would be fine. 20% infill. Let's do 210. Generate supports. Sorry, you see that I'm gonna need some right here. And now let's check and take a look-see here. 1 day, 8 hours. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Cool. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and get this file saved. Go ahead and do it to the desktop and then get my card in there. Alright folks, we have a 3D printer and it is ready for paint and all that good stuff. So what I want to actually do first is use some bondo mixture to kind of fill in some of these holes and get rid of some of these print lines. And then I'm going to sand it. And you can see some of the imperfections I got here in the sides. Some of the some fracture lines here from not extruding. All the damage here, I did trying to get it off the bed. Like as I was putting the tool in there and lifting up, this started cracking. All right, let's get that bondo mixed up. All right, folks, I'm wearing a mask for this because bondo stinks. Just like spray paint, all this stuff gives me an intense headache. So I know I've seen people do it without it, but I'm not one of those people. Now that the bondo is done, it's nice and dry, I'm actually going to go ahead and use a little bit of this slurry that I have from ABS to fill a couple of these holes right here that I actually forgot about. This stuff stinks a little bit, but not as much as bondo, and I don't want to wait for the drying and airing out time again for the bondo. So this stuff works pretty good. Not for really big areas I had to cover with the bondo, but small areas like this is just fine. Okay, that is it for now with this. Now for the fun part, the sanding. So let me touch a couple of these. See, the part I did first, this is already hard and dry. Dries pretty quick. Let's see, I put this on a little thick. This is still a little moist. All right. Alright, so before I take this downstairs and paint it, well, with primer, I'm still not completely happy with a lot of these print lines, and sanding isn't completely getting rid of them. Let's see if you can see it a little closer. So a lot of the lines are still there. So, but what I did was took some acetone and I mixed it with some of my acetone and ABS slurry that I have. This stuff is pretty thick. Make it just a little bit thicker. Alright, that's it, folks. Looks like we smoothed out and filled just with all the print lines doing this. It should be done drying in about 5 minutes because it dries really fast. And after that, we'll go ahead and run it. We're gonna run down to the basement and use paint, primer, filler, and it should take care of any other little holes that are left. Alright folks, we got everything out of the way now. It is primed and ready for painting. The most exciting part, the artistic part. Alright, that looks good. I believe we filled, most of the layer lines are gone from the sanding and then using the ABS slurry and then 2 coats of primer filler. Took care of just about all of the layer lines. There's a couple left, but they're not really going to stand out. So this puppy's pretty much ready to start being painted. I'm going to be testing out this little cheap canister like airbrush kit that I'm pretty excited for. So let's go and jump right into it. Alright. Since I've never airbrushed before, I picked up this little tester's kit. This little kit right here. A little bit of yellow. I need a decent amount, so I might as well just dump a nice chunk there. Red. And dab of green. And really just a smidgen of the black amount. Ah, that just dribbled right down the side there. Now I'm going to use the filter. Dump this in. Try to get it right to the center. And we're going to find out right now if I like airbrushing. Okay. There we go. It's coming out. Excellent. Alright, let's go ahead and start hitting the surface. Now we're up close and personal. Time to start focusing on all the details. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and do his eyes first. Now I'm gonna use some 1x1 epoxy resin, and then I'm gonna mix it really well. Now I'm gonna add this to areas that I want to have like a really high gloss. Alright, that is it, folks. It is done. I put on the epoxy to give that mouth an extra shine look, like it's moist, along with the eyes as well. It is cured and ready, and that's the entire project. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around this long. Please give me a like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or if you just want to have a conversation. As always, folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day.